Today is a perfect lesson in patience because there are a lot of people who are getting impatient with ADA, thinking it's never going to move. And for those who aren't paying attention to what's actually happening behind the scenes, like these big whale movements yesterday, like I said, positioning themselves before moves, people missed out on this surge that is actually happening today. ADA's up about 5.5%. That's a very nice looking green candle. We broke through our 20-day moving average, broke through our 50-day moving average, and we're well on our way right now. Now, there is something that can happen today that will cause ADA price to absolutely explode. Now, first and foremost, you need to understand that ADA is doing this outside of pretty much everything else in the market. So there is the possibility that this could be an isolated moment where capital's matriculating and moving into a couple assets. We're seeing ADA pump today. We're seeing ICP, Injective, Jasmy, and that's kind of about it. Most everything else is either flat or down. But I've said that these whales tend to position themselves before moves. We know that the price for ADA has been suppressed for quite some time, and we know that it's been building this nice, strong floor around these levels. And now it's basically been go time. So now that we're doing this, there is something that can happen today that can, again, make ADA explode. And really what we need to breach is our 200-day moving average that we've talked about before, and this local trend line here we've been fighting at the tops of these last few surges. So if ADA can break that 200-day moving average, if it can break about 50.5 cents, that's kind of about where this trend line is, that may be where we can in fact go. That also coincidentally is where our 100-day moving average is meeting our trend line. So there's a lot of great things that can happen. Now, I have to say this is probably the funniest video I've seen in a while. It's Bitcoin. Credits to Crypto Mike for posting this, but this is kind of where we're at right now. Bitcoin keeps banging its head on the door, trying to break through, and the bears are crapping their pants right now. Because guess what? Bitcoin is fighting so hard to break through these levels. And this, in conjunction with ADA's now new move to the upside, this is where things can get really wild really quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a surge in terms of BTC at some point here. There's still a lot of short positions and a lot of short pressure above here. But if you get another day like we had yesterday, another day of institutional buying, marking 18 straight days now, new record, guys, we may see this big move in terms of ADA. Now, again, remember, guys, ADA is not a meme coin. It doesn't typically do these things. But remember, when you consolidate that long, when you go sideways for that long, there's typically only one way that you can go, and that's up. Again, big reference for this is all the way this throwback to October that I keep mentioning. Look what ADA did there. Went vertical. I said, I believe yesterday or the day before, I wouldn't be surprised if this was a little more tempered move out of here. Well, sometimes things move a little quicker than you expect, but that's also why you don't play games. It's also why you don't, wait for lower prices and stuff, because frankly, some of those may in fact never come. Now, this is obviously not financial advice. There's no guarantees in the market, and ADA may in fact just pull back right to our trend here if we don't breach these levels. Know that that is 100% possible. But remember, we're very quickly approaching this time in the market where assets are in fact going to take off. We're getting into alt season. Retail excitement is getting heightened, getting heightened. So that's what you guys need to know. But appreciate you as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know where you think ADA is headed today and through the weekend. But have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.